isilo saku saseka a hi tweni tatana Hlungwane loko va hlamuseta.
Baka Maswanganyi and say what happened. Van'wani va ri hafana kume penalty, van'wani va ri no. Let's start with offside. Right, we can see there are 3 Pirates players who are in an offside position. The law says it is not an offense to be in an offside position. Hasimilatu for these people to be here. Let's focus on Maswanganyi. Is Maswanganyi offside or onside? Maswanganyi is in an onside position. Who plays the ball between the 3? If we roll it, we'll see that Maswanganyi goes and plays the ball. No offside. But what happens? Ndamane comes and make a tackle. Does he play the ball or the man? Ndamane plays the ball. So when he plays the ball, where is the offense? There's no offense committed. You can see when Jelly Chaba, you can see there that Maswanganyi is the one who is on top there trying to be on, to stamp on Ndamane. But correct decision by Jelly